All right, guys, so we caught another banger today, guys. Another banger. Okay, I can't show my face in this video, guys, because something is going on. It's very laggy, and I don't want that to mess up the production quality. But you know, I'm definitely showing my face. You guys know who I am, all right? So you can see right here, guys, this thing is pumping like crazy. Anyone that was in RunnerBot this morning and caught this, and they bought a million coin count, is what I preach. You guys would be sitting on $2,000 extra for the weekend, right? On top of your day job or the day job that you hate. Okay. Now look at this. We're going to copy the contract address. We're going to roll on over to RunnerBot, right? We got about 10 lovely members in here. Smart people. They're action takers. Remember, guys, money loves speed. Anyone that's in RunnerBot can do this with any of the calls. / space P&L space. Actually, there was no space. Hold on. I screwed that up. Okay, / P&L space, and then the contract address. We're going to click submit. Remember, guys, anyone can do this. Okay. Let it load. 58x, guys. 58x. We are printing once again. Okay, we print every day, and there's people still sidelined. I don't know, guys. I guess some people just hate getting rich. I mean, they really do. I mean, it's a no-brainer, guys. It's a really no-brainer. If you come over to RunnerBot, you can see right here, we're constantly showing updates over here. Okay, runnerbot.trade. The best meme coins, trading signals, 24/7, 365, right? And I've readjusted the pricing structure to make it like a super no-brainer, no confusion, super straightforward, okay? And you can see tons of receipts printed here. But guys, check my video history channel, right? If you got to do more research, there's tons of results over there. Okay, you can hit me up over here if you have any questions before joining, all right? And the pricing is very simple, very straightforward, guys. There's only two choices, okay? There is no free trial because the free trial was just attracting broke idiots, okay? We need people that have, can put money into the skin in the game, can take massive action and change the trajectory of their life, guys. Because the more money you have, the more healthier you're going to be, the more happier you're going to be, the more choices that you can make. You can escape the matrix. You can travel the world like me in Thailand, Tokyo, Vietnam, wherever you want to go, okay? We have lifetime signals with the bonuses. It's a no-brainer, guys. It's $247 for lifetime access or the 30-day test run. I don't even know why it'd be a test run, guys. It's already proven. It's 99. Nobody's really getting the 30 days because, guys, the lifetime has the most value, right? I can provide the most value with you guys in this because you're getting the lifetime VIP support, the tutorial.